So here we go. This is the area where I want to make the drone flights. I already checked with the German flight security app again and have green for all areas I want to film. I will show you below. Here's my Mavic Mini. And here's the area I want to fly. Maybe some ducks will be angry about me, but sometimes life is not easy. Right? You see? Sounds good. You also have the same struggle like me for calibrating this. I want an input field. This really sucks. Look. So it's done. I have some special moments. Again, I hit 2 times the tree and I fly over grass, but with a trick you will see later or earlier. I hope you like my video. I have some nice places here again, and I hope to can travel soon so I can show you the beauty of Indonesia. We're planning flight to Indonesia, but it's still all on lockdown, so maybe November or something like this, we will see. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. I hope I see you again, and like and subscribe if you like my video. If not, give me a comment what I can do better, and I will try to make it. Thank you. Bye bye. And I'm still working on my English, but give me some time. Bye bye.